there.
Hello.
I've never written a poem drunk before, so let's see how this works.
You've never written a poem?
Alright, let's see what happens. This is dedicated to my lovely roommate, best friend, and sister, Kat.
That's fine.
Trip, ow. Trip, ow. Bump, ow. Stumble, fuck. My roommate is clumsy, a klutz, a drunken fool 24/7. She hits herself randomly without impulse, reason, or warning. She scrapes, bruises, scars, cauterizes, and slowly heals until she looks like an abuse victim all over again. Okay, maybe not that dramatic. Ow, I hit the table with my knee. Ow, I scraped my ankle on my bed frame. It's not bleeding though. Ow, I ran over my toe with the shopping cart. And then I ran into the cereal aisle and caused a tsunami, avalanche, hurricane of frosted flakes and rain. She suffers from an undiagnosed lung condition and a sugar intolerance. She has a bad knee and a knack for embarrassing me. Oh, I climbed a tree and tore something important. Ow, something definitely hurts right now. This is my life, listening to a new ailment, injury, whoopsie, enjoying a new illness, or a new owie, and the sound of shit, fuck, ugh, that hurt. She's a klutz, clumsy, drunken fool, except she's she.